Cauldron error codes stopping your modded Minecraft? Don't worry, we have got solutions. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show how to fix Cauldron error codes in Minecraft, issues that often disrupt modded servers. These errors usually stem from plugin conflicts, corrupted files, or version mismatches. With the right troubleshooting steps, you can quickly identify the cause, repair your setup, and keep your modded worlds running smoothly. Method 1. Check Minecraft servers. If you receive a Cauldron error message in Minecraft, it suggests that the game could not reach the authentication servers or the connection has timed out. This may be caused by a temporary service outage, so check the Minecraft server status, check the Minecraft status page or Xbox Live or Microsoft status online. Try again once services are restored. Method 2. Flush DNS and reset network settings. If DNS cache corruption is the cause for the Minecraft Cauldron error, flush DNS and reset winsock. Open command prompt as administrator. Run these commands one by one. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. Restart your PC and relaunch Minecraft. Method 3. Change DNS. Press Win+R to launch the run utility. Copy and paste ncpa.cpl command in the run command box, then press enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use the following DNS server addresses section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Relaunch Minecraft and check if the issue is fixed. Method 4. Disable firewall temporarily. The firewall or antivirus you are using can also interfere with Minecraft and cause connectivity issues. So disable Windows Firewall or antivirus temporarily and see if this works. To do that, follow these steps. Go to the Windows search menu and type Windows Defender Firewall. Choose the topmost option. From the next window, select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option. Click on the radio buttons for both private network settings and public network settings to turn off Windows Defender Firewall. If you have any other antivirus program, then disable that too for the time being. You must enable the firewall and the antivirus later, as your system is vulnerable to threats without these protections. Method 5. Use a home or personal network. Many networks block gaming traffic. Switching to a personal connection ensures Minecraft isn't restricted by those rules. So you can connect to your home Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and check if that helps. Method 6. Enable or disable VPN. If you're not currently using a VPN, try enabling one. This can help bypass regional restrictions or network blocks by routing your connection through a different location. On the other hand, if you already have a VPN active, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes VPNs can interfere with Minecraft servers. After making the change, restart the launcher and see if the issue is resolved. Method 7. Contact Minecraft support. You can contact the Minecraft support team if the methods shown do not help. Fill in the form from the website and mention your problem there. Follow the on-screen instructions given by the Minecraft support team to solve the problem. And that's how you troubleshoot Minecraft Cauldron error codes. By checking compatibility between mods and plugins, repairing corrupted files, and ensuring your server is configured correctly, you will eliminate crashes and restore stability. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more practical Minecraft and Windows fixes, and share your own troubleshooting tips in the comments, because your solution might help another player too. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.